Hello everyone. So in our previous video, we are done with many things like update, or you can say that insert, or how to create a database, or everything related to GUI with Tkinter and also the MySQL database. Again, here we have one a very small example like how to create a table using this Python code, and obviously the table will be created inside one database. So here is the code. We have import mysql.connector, which is obviously required, and then we are checking for the connection using the host equal to localhost, user equal to root, and password will be blank. And we want this table, create table student, name of the table is student, inside the database, that is test on 29. Okay, and then obviously we know what is the use of the cursor function. Like obviously it is used to execute our SQL queries and everything. And we are writing my cursor.execute, and we are writing create table and name of the table. So it will create name of it will create the table with this name, that is student, and it will have one of the column as a heading name, and it will be varchar 255, and there will be one more column which is id, and you can use varchar, or else you can use integer, double, whatever you want to use. Okay, and then again you have to specify the value 255, 0 to 255 actually. And obviously if there is no problem, no error, then on your Python output screen you will find one message that is successfully done, and then manually we will check that student table is created or not under the database test 29. So first of all, control S. Okay, and obviously if you want here, I will show you that our Apache and MySQL are in running mode. Okay, okay, so control S and F5. Okay, successfully done. So we will minimize this screen, and here in this, next to this MySQL, that row, next to stop button, there is one button admin. We will click on that admin button. Okay, and the database was test 29. So here you all can see inside that we have created one table, and that is student. And you all can see that structure, it will be name and id with the varchar 255. So this is how you can create a table with the column names. Thank you everyone.